given?
See, we have to follow the central government guidelines. So pillion riders also have to use helmet.
Yeah.
Only I have told our people not to press for the pillion riders so soon.
RTO
Give them some
department has
time.
already
Give them
started
some
that
time.
awareness.
Huh?
RTO department has already started awareness on the pillion rider.
Yeah, because these days the safety week is going on. So I have told them to have as many functions so that people know. Like suddenly pillion rider का fine घालपा लागले. See, we understand the social need also. इस्कलाच्या टायमात तुवें पळयला तीग जाण वयताय हांव सांगता तांकां कोन्नाका. They don't have any other means. How will the children reach home? So
But
we can understand there are certain relaxation, but not all the time that it becomes
So
a
how
norm.
long it will take to start?
It is the exception.
How long it will take to start?
Huh?
Pillion rider का helmet देऊन कितना time लगता है?
Pillion rider, they have not fixed a time frame, but I have said at least till April, don't do anything. Give them some time.
मात लोकांचो विरोध आसा. लोक म्हणटा पयलीं रस्तेच सारके करा म्हणटा, मागीर ते फाटले हे करा म्हणटा. रस्तेच सारके ना म्हणटा आनी
रस्ते सारखे करता मरे आता. कोणा सगळे कडेन इम्प्रूव्ह जाला.